Thought for 22, Cin Depth Comparison, iPhone 17 Pro versus Panasonic Lumix GH7. The iPhone 17 Pro, released in September 2005, represents Apple's latest flagship smartphone with significant camera upgrades, emphasizing pro-level photography and videography in a compact, all-in-one device. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 launched in 2083 and still a top hybrid mirrorless camera in 2005 is a dedicated video-first powerhouse built for professional content creators. While the iPhone excels in convenience and integration, the GH7 prioritizes raw performance and the customization for serious shooters. This comparison focuses on key aspects relevant to photography and videography: build and portability, sensor and image quality, lens options, photo capabilities, video features, autofocus and stabilization, battery life, price, and ecosystem. I'll use a table for clarity, followed by detailed analysis and a recommendation. Build and portability. The iPhone 17 Pro is a sleek titanium unibody phone that's incredibly portable. Slip it in your pocket for spontaneous shots. Its 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display, 2620x1 206 460p 3x scratch resistant, doubles as a viewing out editing screen, and IP68 rating handles splashes or dust on the go. The GH7, while compact for a mirrorless, is heavier and requires a bag for lenses, batteries. It's magnesium alloy, weather-sealed for outdoor pros, but feels like dedicated gear, not everyday carry. Sensor and image quality. Sensor size matters for low light and depth. The GH7's Micro Four Thirds chip, crop factor 2x, delivers punchier bokeh, and 13+ stops of dynamic range in vlog, edging out the iPhone's smaller stacked sensors, which use pixel binning for 24 megapixel defaults. The iPhone shines in computational photography. Deep Fusion and Photonic Engine produce vibrant, noise-free JPEGs straight out of camera, ideal for social media. In real-world tests, the GH7 pulls ahead in controlled low-light, e.g. indoor portraits, while the iPhone's Fusion sensors handle mixed lighting effortlessly. Lens options. This is a route. The GH7's MFT mount opens a world of affordable, compact primes and zooms, e.g. Panasonic 12-60mm f2.84 for 8. You can go ultra-wide to tele without compromise. The iPhone's fixed setup is versatile, 13mm to 200mm equiv, with tetraprism tech for lossless 8x zoom. But you're locked in. No swapping for a vintage look or extreme macro. Photo capabilities. Both support high-res modes, but differently. The iPhone's premium parts across all lenses enables detailed ProRAW files and macro at 2 cm with AI-driven portraits and spatial photos for AR. The GH7's 100 high-res mode, handheld pixel shift, crushes for landscapes, studio work, and its dual native ISO 100/500 minimizes noise. For casual photographers, iPhone's photographic styles win. Pros will love GH7's manual controls. Video capabilities. The GH7 is a video beast. Internal ProRes RAW, 32-bit float audio, game changer for post, and fan-cooled unlimited 4K 120p make it cinema ready. It supports ARRI Log C3 for Hollywood grading and open gate recording. The iPhone counters with Dolby Vision HDR, Apple Log 2, and ProRes RAW, external only, plus cinematic mode's auto rack focus. It's great for vloggers, action mode at 2.8K 60 FPS, but overheats faster in 4K 120p and lacks internal RAW. GH7 for filmmakers, iPhone for quick cuts. Autofocus and stabilization. GH7's 779-point PDF tracks subjects flawlessly, even in dim conditions, with real-time recognition for animals, birds. The iPhone's LiDAR-enhanced hybrid AF is snappy for portraits, but can hunt in video. Stabilization: GH7's 7.5-stop IBIS plus lens sync is unbeatable for gimbal-free handheld. iPhone's sensor shift is smooth, but electronic only on ultra-wide. Battery life: no contest. The iPhone's efficient A19 Pro chip and larger cell yield 20-plus hours of mixed use, including 6 to 8 hours of 4K video. GH7's DLW BLKNU battery lasts 380 shots or 1 hour of recording. Pros need spares, $80 each, and external power for long takings. Price and value: at $1,090, the iPhone bundles a premium phone, A19 Pro, 120 Hz Pro Motion display, 1 TB storage option. GH7's 2-liter body needs lenses/batteries, pushing $3,000 total. But it's an investment for creators. Ecosystem and usability: iPhone integrates seamlessly with AirDrop, iCloud editing, and apps like Lightroom. GH7 pairs with Panasonic's Lumix Lab app and SSDs for proxies. But it's more Pro Tool than lifestyle device. Which one is the best choice? The Panasonic Lumix GH7 is the best choice for dedicated photography and videography enthusiasts or professionals. Its interchangeable lenses, internal ProRes RAW, superior IBS, dynamic range, and unlimited high frame rate recording make it a true hybrid workhorse that outperforms the iPhone in creative control and image fidelity, especially for studio, documentary, or cinematic work. If you're building a kit for long-term pro use, the GH7's flexibility justifies the cost. However, if you want an all-in-one device for everyday shooting, travel vlogs, or social content, without lugging extra gear, the iPhone 17 Pro wins hands down. Its computational magic, portability, and battery life make pro results accessible, and at half the price, it's unbeatable for hybrid phone camera needs.